ये सत्संगों में तो हम सुनते ही रहते हैं. आई एम ऑल्सो टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. जब कोई चीज़ हमारे प्लान के से अलग होती है, उसके अंदर कोई ना कोई ऊपर वाले का प्लान होता है. एंड यू नेवर नो फॉर वॉट गुड इट इज. तो कई लोग देखते हैं, अच्छा, आई ट्राई टू सी व्हाट गुड हैपेंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट, इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट. इट मे नॉट बी इमीडिएट. You don't know what far reaching effect it might have at when time, what time. And एक बार ये एक इंसिडेंट जो मेरी लाइफ में हुआ, उसके बाद में तो मैंने ये एक बुरी आदत तो छोड़ी थी, और बाकी भी जगह पे इसका इफ़ेक्ट होता है. मुझे एक कैंप की जिम्मेदारी थी योगा इंस्टीट्यूट में. तो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे मुझे पहुंचना था. मैंने अपने वॉलंटियर्स को आधी घंटा पहले कैंप पे बुला रखा था. उनको एक थोड़ा सा ब्रीफिंग करके वो सब तैयारी करनी थी, एंड अपॉइंट देम इन देयर प्लेसेस टू डू ऑल द जॉब्स. और मेरी ट्रेन मिस हो गई, एंड आई गॉट सो टेंस, बिकॉज मेरी जो मैं बुरी आदत बोल रही हूँ, आई हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट बिफोर द टाइम आई हैव सेट, and I would beat myself up if I can't. कई बार तो ये होता था कि फ्रेंड्स के अंदर अब जैसे डिसाइड किया है कि 6 बजे हम ग्रैंड रोड स्टेशन पे मिलेंगे, तो बाकी के सब लोग आराम से 6:30 बजे भी आ रहे हैं विदाउट फीलिंग एनी गिल्ट. लेकिन मैं यदि 5:45 बजे नहीं पहुंचूं तो आई विल बीट माई सेल्फ अप. फिर भले मैं अकेली खड़ी रह के, और वो भी बुरा लगता था कि nobody is keeping up time, and it was difficult for me to not express that anger for people coming late. And खुद ही अंदर I was suffering. हम बाकियों को तो नहीं बोलती थी, because you can't always tell. Everybody has a reason for, but and they were cool is probably what was, that Suchitra was suffering. Now this day when that happened, I was on the platform, और इतना strong anxiety दिमाग में आया ही जैसे वो ट्रेन छूटी. I was going for conducting a yoga camp. So I just found a seat, luckily. I just sat down and I just told myself, relax, 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 relax. ऐसे बोलते बोलते पूरा एक पोयम बन गया, रिलैक्स 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 पे. एंड ट्रेन में बैठ के उसको लिख भी लिया. And I was really relaxed. That self-affirmation worked. I'll sing it to you. And the incident is important. कि मैं जब वहाँ पर पहुँची हूँ, of course, कैंपर्स से तो पहले पहुँच ही गई, और एक आधे वॉलंटियर्स भी आ गए थे, सब वो भी नहीं आए थे. So I went, and just at that time yoga institute की ऑफिस में थी मैं. that's where we were all to collect. Dr. Jaydev came from his inside room to tell something to that secretary there, and he communicated. I did namaste, and he was going back. He turned around and said, you have come for so and so camp, no? I said, yeah. So he's saying, by the way, they have cancelled the program for today. And he went away. But believe me, that relax had relaxed me sufficiently enough to not get hurt or react to it. My only concern was, how can I make my volunteers also feel the same way, the way I am feeling? Instantly, this was my concern. And right enough, when the volunteers came, I was supposed to have a group meeting. So we went there, we sat down, and I asked them a question. I said, there must be time, no, when you must be thinking like I do. We are all working and all that. कि कभी तो थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल जाए तो ये एक काम करना है, ये कर लूँ. What would you do if you get a day off like that? And they were wondering why are they doing this. But anyway, very sweetly they cooperated, 8 of them. They told me what all. Manka, today is the day you can do that. They didn't want to believe me. And then I told them what occurred with me when I walked in. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And so I put it in the positive context for them. Not only that, I also said that yes, in this excitement you will not leave. We have come here at the institute. We will do our own practices for good 1 hour. So I conducted a practice class with them. And then I said if anyone is interested in waiting back, we can do some talking, chatting and pick up on our, whatever knowledge, understanding that we were working with. And if you want to leave, you're free to leave. So you can, that day, believe me, I never forget. I remind myself, see, there was a purpose in that delay. I probably would have reacted to that cancellation if I had reached on time. Do you see that? Because that would put me in that, ego position, no? But because I was late, so I was in a humble position. And in that, I could think in this manner. So when God puts you in a certain state of mind by creating a situation, it is for your own good. Can you imagine how much it would have multiplied negatively? I would have done the same to my volunteers, and they would have done in turn to whoever else. So God created so much of sattva by just helping me change this one thing. So to pause, to relax, and to go with the flow. I am telling you, I never forget this. This is like, I call it a flagship incident, which reminds me, and I'm sure you also have some. So make such flagship incidents for yourself